So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about meiosis. So ensure to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you will get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge. So in our previous lesson, we discussed that gametes only have one copy of each chromosome. So when they fuse together, they can make the right amount, which is 2 copies of each of the chromosomes. So to make gametes which have just half of the original number of chromosomes, cells divide by meiosis. This process of meiosis actually involves 2 cell divisions. So in humans, it happens in the reproductive organs. So this is what happens. Before the cell starts to divide, it duplicates its genetic information, forming 2 armed chromosomes. One arm of each chromosome is an exact copy of the other arm. So after the replication, the chromosomes arrange themselves in pairs. So in the first division, in the meiosis, the chromosome pairs line up in the center of the cell. So the cells then pull apart. So each new cell has only one copy of each chromosome. So some of the father's chromosome will be in one cell, whereas some of the mother's chromosomes will go to the other new cell. In the second division, the chromosomes again line up in the center of the cell. So the arms of the chromosome are pulled apart. So as such, you will now get 4 gametes, each with only one set of the chromosomes in it. So each of the gametes is genetically different from the others because chromosomes all get shuffled during the meiosis, and each gamete only gets half of them at random. So after 2 gametes have fused during fertilization, the resulting new cell divides by mitosis to make a copy of itself. So mitosis repeats times to produce lots of new cells in an embryo. As the embryo develops, these cells then start to differentiate into the new types of specialized cell that make up a whole organism. You can check out our previous video on mitosis and the video on differentiation in order to understand this better. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.